Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying your graphics chip and saving any open work. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and note the exact GPU model and driver version. Once done, close all games and background apps to avoid conflicts. You also need a stable internet connection and about 10-15 minutes free. Make sure to disable overlays like Discord or Steam temporarily. These can interfere with driver installs. Now you have the essentials. Move to getting the correct driver package. You go to the GPU vendor's official download page and choose the exact model and your operating system build. Download the full driver package, not a beta unless you need features. Once the installer is on your disk, run it as administrator. This ensures proper permissions. When prompted, pick the Clean or Custom Install option to remove legacy files. This reduces leftover conflicts. You may see optional components. Uncheck extras you don't need. Let the installer unpack and proceed through. You complete installation and immediately reboot. Many driver updates require a restart to load new components. After reboot, launch a quick game or benchmark to verify stability and performance. If you see graphical glitches or crashes, return to Device Manager to confirm the reported driver version. If problems persist, boot into safe mode and run the vendor's clean install again, or use the Display Driver Uninstaller to remove drivers fully. Then reinstall. This safe mode clean reinstall is the key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.